morning to all my lovely students there. How are you, students? So let's start with a new chapter on this bright day. Students, first of all I need to ask you one question. Do you ever thought why this happens? In summer, why we feel so hot? And in winter it is very cold. We wear sweaters and we come to school. Why? Because the temperature increases in summer and in winter it decreases. Temperature depends upon the sun, moon and many more factors. Especially in summer, as you can feel right now, हमें समर में ज़्यादा लिक्विड खाना पसंद है, लिक्विड पीना पसंद है, right? वाटर, नींबू पानी, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स, आइसक्रीम्स. And winter में हम पानी अवॉइड करते हैं. We avoid cold drinks, right? So today let's start with our chapter number 18, that is temperature, and this video is your part 1 video. In this we will see what is temperature and what are the two main scales to be measured. First is Celsius and second is Fahrenheit. Let's see. Let's have a look. So students, let's start with our chapter number 18, temperature.
19. Temperature. My ice cream is very cold, but my soup is very hot. Temperature is another important aspect of our lives. It tells us about the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. How?
What is temperature? Temperature tells us about the degree of hotness or coldness of any object.
How can we measure temperature? Now, by simply touching the object, we can easily tell if the object is warm or cold. But we do not get the exact degree of hotness.
By touching any object, we can come to know that this object is hot or cold. For the example, when you are going for a shower, you use your fingers to touch the water, that it is hot or cold. If it is normal, it's okay. If it is hot, then what do? You feel like this, right? For example, if you are in the kitchen, आपने गलती से कोई वेसल जो बहुत गर्म हुआ में टच कर लिया, then what you do? टच हो गया, then आप डायरेक्टली ठंडे पानी के नीचे हाथ रखते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि आपकी स्किन पूरी रेड हो जाती है. Whenever you wish to go for ice cream, आप आइसक्रीम लेते हैं बट वो बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी होती है. So what you do? You keep it aside for some time. We can know that this object is hot or cold by touching it. But can we know what is the degree of coldness? No, now let's have a look.
Or coldness of the body. We use a special instrument called thermometer to measure the exact temperature of a body.
Whenever you are sick and you visit a doctor, first of all, what doctor do? He places a thermometer in your mouth to know the exact body temperature, right? This is a thermometer.
Body. To measure the human body temperature, the doctors use a special thermometer called the clinical thermometer. Normal human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius.
You need to remember this. The normal temperature is 37 degrees Celsius to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit.
Celsius or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. We use two different scales for measuring temperature. Celsius scale, degree Celsius. Fahrenheit scale, degree Fahrenheit. Temperature is measured on a range between two.
There are two main scales we used. The first one is Celsius scale. We use C, and the small zero you can see that represents the degree. And Fahrenheit represents F. Temperature is measured on a range between two reference
points. On Celsius scale, melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. It is also called freezing point of water.
The melting point of ice is 0 degree. Now we are having a look on the Celsius scale. There are two ranges between. 0 is known as freezing point. See, it is also called freezing point of water. It is read as 0 degree Celsius.
This is read as 0 degrees Celsius or centigrade. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. This is read as 100 degrees centigrade. The range of temperature is 0 degrees Celsius to 100.
So we can say that we can measure the Celsius from 0 to 100. 100 कहाँ से आया? क्योंकि वो जो डिग्री है वो किसकी होती है? बॉइलिंग वाटर की. 0 degree is the freezing point and the highest is 100 degree. That is the boiling point. Boiling water.
100 degrees Celsius. On Fahrenheit scale, melting point of ice or freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit. This is read as 32 degree Fahrenheit. Boiling point of water is 212 degree Fahrenheit.
Students, you need to remember this, that the melting point of ice or the freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit. While the boiling point of water is 212 degree Fahrenheit. So that means the scale of Fahrenheit will be 32 to 212. And in Celsius it was 100 to 0 to 100. And in Fahrenheit 32 to 212.
Fahrenheit. This is read as 212 degree Fahrenheit. The range of temperature is 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Conversion of scales. The two scales of measuring temperature are related to each other. 100 divisions on the Celsius scale are equal to.
Students, now we will learn about conversion. Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale. Celsius में हमें पता है the starting point is 0 to 100. So बीच में 100 divisions होंगे. But in Fahrenheit scale it starts from 32 to 212. So in this 180 divisions will be there.
180 divisions on the Fahrenheit scale. Celsius to Fahrenheit. To convert a given temperature from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, we follow these simple rules. Step 1. Multiply by 9 upon 5. Step 2. Add 32 to get the answer. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 upon.
So students, you have to remember this formula. 9 upon 5 degree Celsius plus 32. This is the formula to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. You have to remember this formula. This is very important.
5 degrees Celsius plus 32. Example 1. Convert 40 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 upon 5 degrees Celsius plus 32. So 40 degree Celsius is equal to 9 upon 5 into 40 plus 32 degree Fahrenheit, which is equal to 360 degree upon.
Students, what I did, मैम ने क्या किया? ये formula था, इसके अंदर simply मैम ने figures place कर दिए. 9 upon 5 into, in question it is already given 40 degree. So 40 plus 32. 5 ones are, 5 eights are 40. Right? So it becomes very easy for you. You can simply add it. 9 eights are 72 plus 32. Your answer will be same.
5 plus 32 degree Fahrenheit, which is equal to 72 plus 32 degree Fahrenheit, which is equal to.
So 104 degree Fahrenheit. So you can do this method or else this is the shortcut one which I have done for you. You can compare it. Should I erase it now? Okay. Now
104 degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit to Celsius. To convert a given temperature from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, we follow these simple rules. Step 1. Subtract 32 degree. Step 2. Multiply by 5 upon 9.
Example. Convert 59 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. Degree Celsius is equal to degree Fahrenheit.
It's very easy. अगर आप एक याद रख लोगे, simply the opposite one will be the next for Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 upon 9. 59 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 59 minus 32 into 3 upon 9 degrees Celsius is equal to 27 into 3 upon 9 degrees Celsius is equal to 135 upon 9 degrees Celsius is equal to 15 degrees Celsius.
So students, finally here we complete our discussion of chapter number 18, temperature. Let's move to worksheet. So students, on page number 136 you can see clinical thermometer, Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale. We have also seen the conversion. The table is here with a proper explanation of drawing. Now your worksheet part will be exercise number 1 on page number 137 of your textbook. And your homework is you are supposed to solve the review exercise